Hello, I am Prashant from Havi. Havi makes robotic toys for people of age 6 plus. Using this Havi Elements DIY Object Sensor Project Kit, you can make 13 sensor based projects. In the box you will get the power element, IR element, you just easily snap them, buzzer element, along with some accessories and a power bank. You supply the power, switch it on. If I bring my hand near to the sensor, so now you know it detects an object. With this IR element, this sensor, you can make a smart basketball hoop, a fitness gadget, a music maker, and 13 such creations. Using Havi Elements DIY Object Sensor Projects Kit, you can make 13 robotics, electronics, IoT and STEM based creations.